Hi everyone, my name's Simon and welcome to another episode of the Maserati Guy. In this episode we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. I've worked out over the years that people who are interested in cars often tend to be interested in watches, and I think that's something to do with the fact that both cars and watches exhibit similar characteristics in the sense of, high quality engineering, very interesting design, mechanical precision. So I think a lot of car people tend to be quite into watches as well. So I thought I would share with you just a new purchase which I have made over the last couple of weeks. And that is a new watch. So you may have seen some of my previous videos on watches. I'll put a link up here to the playlist. Previously I was lucky enough to purchase a Bulgari Maserati watch, which is basically because Bulgari and Maserati have had a long time association, and they have developed a watch which mimics the look of a rev counter, if you like. So it had a single hand which indicated the minutes, which resembled a rev counter on a car dashboard, and a jumping hours indicator. So it was quite an interesting watch. But I've been looking for something which is a little bit more practical, because every time I looked at that watch I had to think what the time was, because it wasn't obvious because of the different way in which the watch told the time. So I've been wearing an Apple Watch for the last few months, and I was getting a bit sick of how it kept telling me to do stuff. Stand up, sit down, breathe. Just leave me alone. And then of course every email and text message that came in, it would vibrate and ping and everything else, and it wasn't quite what fits with my, the way I want to be. So I was in Sydney, just kind of chilling and browsing down the Strand Arcade, and those of you that know Sydney, there's a very nice watch store in the Strand Arcade called the Vintage Watch Co. They sell a lot of really nice high-end pre-owned watches, but they also sell some of the kind of more affordable brands, and that's not to be derogatory in any sense. They're just kind of in the price range, which is a bit more affordable, new stock. And one of those brands is Oris, and they were selling this particular Oris chronograph at a very heavily discounted price. And it was really too good to pass up. I'm a great fan of the kind of pilot style, big dial, big numerals, bold style. So how could I say no? So let's take a look. So this is the Oris BC4 chronograph. As you can see, it's in a beautiful pilot style. With a stainless steel case, with what's called diamond-like carbon finishing on the watch. So it gives this kind of black surface, which is really nice. It has obviously the regular hour and minute hands. It has a running seconds hand just here at the 9 o'clock position. It has a small date down here, which is very useful. The other two smaller displays are for the chronograph. So if we start the chronograph, you can see the larger second hand will sweep around, indicating the seconds. The small dial up here indicates minutes, indicates 30 minutes. So you'll see as the small second hand passes the 12 o'clock position, it will click on to 1 minute. There it goes. So this is your minutes indicator on the chronograph. If you look down here, it's quite an interesting feature. I'll probably just zoom in a little bit here so you can see that. But this has a double-ended hand here. You've got a white hand and a red hand. The white hand sweeps across this top dial, which shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. And then by the time that hand has swept round, the red hand will indicate on the red numerals underneath up to, I think it's 12 hours. So not only does it have a full 12-hour chronograph, but it also adds that lovely little red accent, which just, I think, sets off the dial really nicely. Other features that are noteworthy is that it has a screw-down crown, but it has one that's different from one that I've ever experienced before, which is it's like a bayonet crown. So it doesn't screw down on a thread like they normally do, but this one is just about a quarter turn and it will pop out. And then obviously moving it one position out will put you in the date adjusting position, and then the second click will adjust the time. So when you click it back in, you just turn it and it pushes in and turns like a bayonet and locks that crown in place. You've got the two pushers here for start, stop and reset. Beautiful leather strap with white stitching there, as I think you can see. So a very nicely made deployant clasp, which just clips on like that. If we open up the back here, you can see the beautiful red accent on the automatic winding mechanism. I understand that that is a particular feature of Oris watches, to have that red accent. It's based on a very highly regarded ETA movement, a Valjoux 7750, I believe. So a very kind of chunky, practical, you know, quite masculine watch. I love this kind of look. I love the boldness of the display. Has great lume as well, so at night it is very well illuminated for reading the time, which is always very handy, of course. So yeah, a really beautiful watch, and we'll just stop it there and just reset, and there we are, all done. So that's the Oris watch. I hope you like it as much as I do. I was really thrilled to be able to find this in Sydney. I've been looking for a kind of large and kind of bold pilot watch for quite a while, so I was really thrilled to be able to find this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a car person and a watch person? It would be great to hear from you and see how many of us kind of petrol heads are also into the high-end watches as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like. Don't forget to subscribe. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber. Hit that notification bell as well, because it really does help me to make more videos. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Maserati Guy 2017. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.